Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you crochet table runners. So viewers, let's start today videos. Friends, start with a long chain. Now make a row using simple stitch keeper. Going to get the length you want, add a border around the edge. Your table runner is really simple and elegant. Granny square table runner, small granny square, join them in a line, colorful pattern. Make a small granny square, use different color. Now join all square in a line. Add a border to finish your colorful table runner is gray and friends, friends, lace crochet table runner. Start with a chain, use open stitch to create a lace design. Walk slowly and carefully, make it long and light. Your lace runner is ready, very soft and beautiful flower modified table runner. And weavers, swap crochet flower, use bright color. Now join all flowers together, make a long shape. Your flower runner is ready, looks so pretty. Zigzag table runner. Start with a chain, now make stitches in a zigzag pattern, change color for style, repeat the pattern that you want. Runner is modern, very modern and stylish. And friends, and weavers. Next, shell pattern table runners. Start with a chain, now create shell stitch, repeat the pattern. Here's give a soft paste design. Your runner is ready, very elegant. Weavers and friends. easy.